Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys my hair transformation video. So basically how I went from this to this for less than $60. So in total I've spent $58.50, which I think is really affordable as compared to if I were to do whatever I've done in a salon. Obviously the results are not salon standard, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you don't have the money to spare, you can definitely consider going this route. So a quick background story, I was getting bored of my medium to dark brown hair and I wanted it to be lighter for like the summer months. So as you may or may not know, I've been getting my hair done at the lovely Hair Plus Korean salon. They have been taking really great care of my hair, and so they do not encourage me to bleach my hair because I already have pretty damaged and dry hair, and therefore I decided to DIY. Firstly, I knew that I would definitely need more than one bleach session. So the great thing about DIYing at home is the convenience of being able to spread out these bleach sessions to give your hair some rest time from the harsh chemicals. Secondly, I figured out that now is the perfect time to do this because working from home is the default. So even if I screw up, I don't have to go to the office or go out of my house. So with that said, I ordered a bunch of box dyes from Shopee and began my hair transformation. So the first product I used on my hair is the Mise Hello Bubble Foam Color in the shade Primer, which is basically a bleach. So here's a shot of how my hair looked like. It's like a medium warm brown with slight reddish undertones, I guess. So my hair is not black or super dark to begin with, but my roots are black. So I decided to go for this product because I find that bubble dyes are much easier to DIY with and the color tends to be less patchy. I was told by my hairdresser that bubble dyes are a lot more damaging as compared to cream dyes, so to each their own. I personally just love it for the convenience and it's just super easy to apply. I'm also surprised that one box is able to cover my entire head because I have really thick hair. So I left it on for 30 minutes. I also did my brows and it worked perfectly. I think the key is to use a cling wrap so the foam doesn't evaporate. So after this first bleach session, the quality of my hair immediately dropped, like it was pretty obvious. So I went ahead and used the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, which is a product that really helped lessen the damage throughout this entire hair transformation journey. It is formulated with coconut, fig, argan oil, and shea butter, which are all really popular ingredients known to be able to help recover, strengthen, and treat damaged hair. Depending on how damaged or how thirsty your hair is, there are a couple of methods you can use this hair mask, which I have done so throughout this entire hair transformation journey. So after the first bleach session, I applied this hair mask onto towel dried hair after I've shampooed and rinsed off the bleach, and I left it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. After which I went in with the Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir, which once again contains coconut and fig, prickly pear for vitamin K, C, and E, papaya and mangosteen for antioxidant, and hyaluronic acid to help retain moisture in the hair. My favorite function of this hair elixir is that it protects my hair from heat up to 220 degrees Celsius because during this hair transformation journey, I have had to use a hair dryer multiple times, which can be really drying for my hair, but also really important to minimize freeze. On the next day, I checked and I realized that my roots were still black, and so I went in again with the exact same product and I left it on for 30 minutes again. This is how it looks like after 2 rounds of the bleach. My roots are lighter now, which is great, and I actually really like this look, but unfortunately it wasn't the look that I was going for. On the following day, it's time to do some highlights to my hair, which is pretty much the highlight of my hair transformation journey, I feel like. So initially I wanted to do a balayage, and because of that I have watched so many YouTube tutorials on how to do a balayage. I feel like I can succeed if I were to do it for someone else, but doing it on my own hair is super tough. But anyways, I used the keratin hair bleach from Moremo. So an important thing to take note of is that this product does not come with any cape, any gloves, or any applicator. It only comes with the lotion, the powder bleach, and a hair treatment. So thankfully my mom colors her hair pretty often, so she already has all these like hair coloring tools at home. Okay, so here are some footage. My hair was super dry. It was extremely difficult to work with. I don't know why, but anyway, I pulled through with 1 box of this bleach and I left it on for 30 minutes. Now because my hair was so dry during the bleaching process, I kind of panicked and I decided to leave the Coco and Eve hair mask on for 2 hours after rinsing the bleach off. So they gifted me this like shower cap and I love this so much. It's very secure as compared to like other shower caps that I've used used so far, so you can definitely leave it on overnight if you want to as well. The next morning, I decided to apply this hair mask again onto dry hair, which is another method that you can try. So I just applied it and then clipped it on and went to work from home, obviously. So this is how my hair turned out after the highlights, and I'm actually really happy with the results. It's not even. The left side is much more brighter than the right side, but I feel like overall it doesn't look patchy. Personally, I love that the front pieces are lighter because that is the exact look I was going for. However, I felt that it could be lighter, and as I've mentioned as well, the right side was less noticeable, and I also wanted more highlights on the top of my head. So I decided to go in again with another round of bleach, but this time around I only used half a box and I left it on for 30 minutes as well. I also did my brows and I kind of screwed up. I feel like I've lightened it way too much, so I definitely don't recommend it. I only left it on for like 5 minutes, but it got so light. So after this round of bleach, this is how my hair turned out. It looks so crazy, so yellow, so bright, and it literally looked like it was glowing. But now it is finally time for the final step, which is to dye everything in ash brown. So the box dye I use is the Mise Creamy Bubble color in the shade Ash Brown. So I don't have any footage on this portion because I did it late at night and it only took like 10 minutes to dye my entire head. I used to use this box dye very frequently before I got sponsored by Hair Plus Korean Salon, so I would say that I'm pretty much an expert when it comes to using this box dye. So this was how my hair looked like. It was pretty dark, but you can still see the highlights. I loved how it turned out. Right now it has been close to 2 weeks, so the ash brown has sort of faded away and my hair has gotten much lighter right now, and I love it. I think it is the exact color that I've been looking for, and I think it just looks so summery. I freaking love it. Surprisingly, it has been really easy to maintain, as in I don't feel like my hair is super dry, super thirsty, or super damaged. I have been using the Coco and Eve products really frequently, and I think that has really helped the condition of my hair. In addition, I've also been using these purple shampoo and conditioner from L'Oreal. I really love them. First of all, they are really affordable. You can easily find them, and I love that they are sulfate free. I used to use purple shampoos back when I had bleach hair, and they tend to be really dry, but not these. They actually make my hair feel really soft and smooth. So you can actually get all of the box dyes that I have used in stores. However, they are much cheaper on Shopee, so I'll link them in the description box below. In addition, I also have a link and a discount code to the Coco and Eve products, so if you're interested, the information will be in the description box as well. So if you have any questions about the products, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them. And with that said, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my new hair, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!